Hey everybody, today in this video I'll be showing you guys the best platform where you guys can go and sell your templates. You can sell your themes, you can sell your designs, and anything in between that you would like to sell. You can sell it all on this website, which is called 99steam.com. Selling on this website is pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward. I have just created an account and let me show you how I did it. um, I just listed an item like a day ago and they have just approved my item over here. As you can see, you guys can go and check my profile out on 99 steam as well. um, as you guys can see that I have an item that is for $19, and this item is basically an HTML landing page that I created. Now you can start listing your item. First you would have to come here and you would have to create a profile here. Once you're done with sign up is pretty easy. You just log in with your Gmail account, and once you have logged in, you can create an item. You would have to come to store items.php. You can even come from here. You can click on manage items. So once you click there, you will see this kind of interface where you can list your item. You can choose a category that you would like to list in. You would have to choose a price. You would have to add any demo URL. When you list an item, you have a demo URL for that. You can put it here. If you have a video, you can add it here as well. If you have any files, you would have to include the file names. Those are a part of this template. And then after you're done with that, you would have to fill in some description. You would have to add some tags, just like on YouTube, about your product. You would have to add images. You would have to add the featured image. You would have to upload the template file, and that's it. You are done. Once you're done with that, it will be pending. After less than a day or so, sometime they approve within an hour. So once you're done with listing, this will be approved, and then you can go to your profile and start you know using it, start selling it. So this was basically just a brief overview of 99 steam and how you can list a product. In the next video I'll be showing you more statistics, because I still have to wait a couple of days for me to get some results and the statistics that I can show you. So I'll be showing you another video in a few days, and then I'll show you what I've got. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share the video if you like it. Bye.